Hello, we're having a look at this DT175MX today. It's a 1980 model, quite clean and tidy. It's been used. It's not pristine by any means, but it's tidy enough. There's a little bit of crazing on the tank. It's got a hideous exhaust on it. It sounds awful. So all the rims are good. There's a little bit of rust on that one, but you know, it's a tidy little bike really for its age. But that silencer, that back box, sounds awful. They're a nice sized bike actually, you know. Have Yamaha ever got anything right straight away, apart from a DT175? I don't think so, because back in the day they were the bike to have, weren't they? But for some people they still are. I've got a friend who's been dreaming about one for 40 years and he still hasn't managed to buy one. I prefer the twin shock, the look of the twin shock model really. But I'm gonna get my helmet on. I'm gonna take it around the yard and annoy a few people with that noisy exhaust. Right, just gonna get the cameraman to kick it over for me because of my knee.